Baby Babble. Today we will learn about birds. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Goldfinch. It has red face with black markings around the eyes and a black and white head. Hummingbird. They are smallest of bird. They create humming sound by beating their wings. Wild sparrow. It is found in most parts of the world, especially in urban cities. Pigeons. These are stout-bodied birds with short necks. Kookaburra. They are found in humid forest. Grey bald eagle. The bald eagle is a bird of prey found in North America. Duck. Ducks are mostly aquatic birds, smaller than the swans and geese. Swans are among the largest flying birds. Flamingos. The name flamingo comes from Spanish word which means flame-colored. It is national bird of the Bahamas. Owl. Owls can rotate their necks a maximum of 270 degrees. Penguins. Penguins are a group of aquatic flightless birds. Toucan. The toucan's large beak helps it reach for faraway fruit. Woodpecker. Most woodpeckers spend their entire life in trees, spiraling up the trunks in search of insects. Kingfisher. Kingfishers are a group of small to medium-sized, brightly colored birds. Hornbill. The great hornbill is long-lived, living for nearly 50 years in captivity. Bulbul. Bulbuls are a family of birds living in Africa, the Middle East, and Southern Asia. Guinea fowls. They have been used to control wood ticks, grasshoppers, flies, and crickets. Ostrich. The flightless ostrich is the world's largest bird. They have 3 stomachs. Rainbow lorikeet. The rainbow lorikeet is a species of parrot found in Australia. White parrot. Parrots are among the most intelligent birds.